fam. So today I am doing my protein treatment. I don't know if you guys seen the last video I uploaded. Hopefully you did. If you didn't, go check it out. I did a homemade protein treatment. I left the ingredients on that video for you guys in the comments below, in the description below. But yeah, I'm just applying it now. I have single strand twists in my hair, so I'm just going through one by one, untwisting, and then adding the protein treatment in my hair. Finger detangling as I go along, getting any knots out, any dead hair, just finger combing it all out. And it's very messy, so when you do this, make sure you wear a shirt that you don't care about getting dirty, or put a towel on. I also have a video on the I think it was the avocado deep condition. I will leave the link above or below. And I got a homemade conditioner that I do with egg, not egg white, just egg yolk. And I'll leave a link to that one also. And anything I've used has helped my hair grow. Like, look at the length. I have length due to these things. And the definition it gives. Look at the curl, sis. I do need a trim. So if you guys want to see a video on that, let me know. I will give you a video on me trimming my hair. And there is a con with this protein treatment. Okay, you're using a whole egg. Okay, so that means you're using the egg yolk and the egg white. Now when you do this, you want to make sure the heat is not running and you're not sitting there, no stove or anything, because it will cook the egg white in your hair. Okay, when you're rinsing it out, you want to use cool water, as cool as you can bear. Because if you use warm water when washing it out, you will come out with cooked egg white in your hair. Okay? When you wash afterwards, you make sure you wash good. Because you can wash real good and think you're washing good, rinse it real good, and go cut on your heat and walk through the house. The next thing you know, you got egg whites in your hair. Now, you don't want that. That's what I do. And you want to make sure if you have leftovers in your bowl, just do what I'm doing. Go through your whole head and get it all in there. Because, I mean, it's worth it. Okay, so now I'm going to put each side in the part it into 3 sections and twist each section. And you can see just how much product I have in my hair. But it's well worth it in the end. I'll sit here egged up, oily, drenched, you know, smelling of raw egg. Because in the end, it's worth it. I mean, and it strengthens your hair. Like, how can you beat that? People wonder why they don't retain length, why their hair breaks off so much. These are the reason why your hair don't have any strength. This will give your hair some strength and some length for that matter. And you just find something, a shower cap, plastic Walmart bag, doesn't matter. Tie your hair up and let it sit. I got the shower cap, okay? Put that on. And I'm going to let it sit for 30 minutes. Now you have to be easy when taking it off because everything in your head is going to drip. And when you take it off, the bottom of your cap is going to be full of it. Okay, I've let it sit a bit and just going to show y'all a little bit of what it's doing. Didn't get me washing it, so I'm going to insert some pictures at the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Sorry guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave any comments down below. The notification bell so you know when I'm posting, so you can be notified. And yeah, let me know what you guys want to see. If you want to see me do if you want to see me do my homemade deep condition, let me know. And if you want to see me do a trim, let me know. And yeah, check out these pics. Okay guys, so I'll let it sit. Taking it out now, and I'm about to get in the shower and rinse it out. Okay. Sorry for turning the mic. I should be recording this. I looked at that definition. It says so. If you guys enjoy this video, don't forget to spam the like button, subscribe, and share the video. Alright, loves. Love you guys. See you later. Talk to you. Bye.